Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. So I'm continuing with, I think I'm going to call this Playing with Our Dies series. So I decided to play with this today. This is the Genlong Sizzix Thinlits, and this is the Unicorn and Rainbows. And I had picked this up from Hobby Lobby, used a coupon, so such a great deal. So anyway, the dies that you have are these. And you might think, oh my gosh, it's a million little pieces. It's not as hard to assemble them as you think. So I had fun making this, you guys. And honestly, you can make like your own sticker set using this. And so that's what I basically did. And then it comes with the embossing folder. This is how the embossing folder looks like when, I mean, it's so pretty. And this is just plain white cardstock. But can you imagine embossing a foiled cardstock? Yeah, super pretty, right? Okay, so let me put this aside because I'm just going to show you what I've done with the dies. You are gonna need some kind of tweezers just because of the little pieces, and I just feel like it's so much easier. I mean, it's not mandatory, but it just makes it easier to pick up the little pieces and to glue the pieces together. So I will do a process video. I'll record a process video and I'll do that at the end just to show you guys the process. But it's not as bad as you think it is, because paper piecing, they did a great job, first of all, designing this die because of the different layers. And I'll show you guys that in a minute. Okay, so here's what I created. Isn't that cute? And the unicorns, oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless with the combination of colors you can use and how you can layer them. Let's start off with the easy ones first. With the hearts, they're so cute. And you can basically, you know, make stickers out of these. You can glue them like one on top of the other like that. You can like make them dimensional. You can put a foam in between and just make them a little more dimensional. So just with that alone is cute. Okay, and then these are super easy to assemble because you have the separate rainbows. You can do them in different colors and you can run it through your die one time. Now what I found when making these is just creating a base first with white cardstock, or you know, some heavyweight cardstock, or this here. Now whenever I get a die from Michael's, not a die, I'm sorry, a 12 by 12 paper, let me just show you. You guys know what I'm talking about. Like when you get a specialty paper, it usually comes with a cardstock that's a little bit thicker as a base, and I like using those, reusing them, and that's what this is. So what I do is I cut, like I'll cut the unicorn in this base, as well as that. The rest you don't have to, even maybe the heart. Okay, and then that's your base, and from there you build. Okay, because it's so much easier. And so here what I did was I cut my base in white, and then I cut the holographic paper the whole rainbow. And then I cut the individual rays of colors. And then just glue, glue, glue. And the glue I used is my Nuvo. This one I feel is very similar to the art glitter glue. Like, they feel the same. They dry pretty much the same. They're both white. They dry clear. So either of these glue. The main thing is you want to have like a nice fine tip to use because of the little pieces that you're gluing. And so I like the fine tip. So today I used the Nuvo just because that's what was out, and that's what I used. And then here's another one where I just left the clouds white on this one. But I do really like the holographic. And then with this one, again, I cut out a white base. And then layered over that is the holographic paper. And when you cut these, the mane and the tail, there's only really 3 pieces. These 3. Put them through your die. Like for this one, I just used 2 colors. And as you can see here, it cuts out like a lining, the lining of the tail. And then you can interchange the inside parts. You know, like you can make it a different color. Hope I'm making sense there. So you'll see on my process video. And then it just makes layering them so much easier. Now, it doesn't cut the ear, but I just felt like, and I'm sorry, my nails are, they just kind of got dirty from, I think it's glitter. I think I have like glitter under there. Anyway, it makes, oh, what was I talking about? The ears. So the ears, it doesn't cut the ears off, but I wanted to make the ears stick out because it's holographic right here. And I wanted the ears to be white. And so all I did was, you know, I just ran the unicorn die through. And then I just cut off the ear piece, you know, just cut the sides and the bottom here. And then for the inner part, I just used my Copic marker to make the ears a little pink, just so it stands out a little more and it looks more like ears. And so yeah, this one was really simple. And then the hooves, I like that the hooves are like all together. They're not separate pieces. I mean, when it cuts, they become separate pieces, but it's one little die. I like that. And then this part is the nose, which, oh, I forgot. I didn't even put the nose on here, but I should have just cut another piece and put the nose right here. So there's that one. And then this one here, I just cut 2 pieces of white, okay, because it makes it super sturdy. I cut the hooves in the holographic paper, as well as the horn. I basically just ran it through and then just cut the horn, and then I paper pieced that over. And then here, I mean, like I said, you can do any combination of colors. I did the glitter paper and the sparkly paper from Joann's, the Coordinations. That's the blue one. And then you can just layer the way you want to. And I just think they come out so cute. And you can just put dimensionals here. I mean, how cute would this be? And look, I just cut this. I wanted it to look like a one big cloud. And you can just put them here and gift this to somebody. Put dimensionals. I mean, how cute is that? Who wouldn't want that? I sure would. If someone gifted me this. And then you can totally just use this like stickers on your project. And I just cut out a bunch of different pieces. And if you're gifting this to somebody, I mean, you can just, you know, stick some rolled flowers there if you want. Or what's even better, look, what's even better is if you put some gems, right? And you can just gift this to somebody. Look. Just put some random gems in there and then package it. Like, how cute is that, right? It's eye candy. Look. And you can just gift that to somebody, and it's like a little sticker pack for them. I mean, you can just make a bunch of these in different colors, and oh my gosh, it's just so much fun. So I hope you give it a try. Stay tuned for the process video at the end, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye. Whoops. Bye.